Today we're playing 99 Nights in the Forest, but today we're gonna check out the lava update. So let's get it. Okay, we're in. Get wood.
Don't put any wood in
I
until...
put the fire in the water. I put the fire in the water. Does that count?
For me, the tree took a second to delay.
Damn, that's how laggy I am. I have a great idea, Frankie. I have something to tell you. Okay. Do I put the wood in the fire?
No! Just put it at the stack or whatever.
Fine.
Wait.
Yeah, what do you think I'm doing? I'm recording.
It's hard to know.
Maybe I shouldn't have told you.
I'm a chopper.
What? That's the person
Why
who...
is there a little tree inside of a big ass tree? Wait. What is this? What is this, pedophile?
You're a pedophile.
You too.
Shut the fuck.
You're a mess.
Frankie, hold up. I'm gonna put fire in this wood.
No. What do you mean by fire in this wood?
I got coal, Frankie.
Oh. Just don't put it in yet. Wait a minute, that looks...
I'm gonna get more wood, okay? I see the kid. I see the first kid.
Nice.
I'm gonna try to kill him. Wanna come with me?
Yeah, hold on, let me just get the fire better.
About to speed run this.
We should
Fun
have gotten
fact,
our wood.
Oh, deer doesn't attack first night. So we're good. Where are you? Oh, see you. Coming. I'm blind.
Bro, what is this side character Wolf doing here? Come at me.
I'm about to make you buck. Make America great again. That was so perfect. Kill it! There.
I'm happy.
Of course you're at H4 HP.
I need that.
Bark. Meow. Meow. Can I kill it? Yes, I'm hurting it. I'm hurting it. This stupid side character. If you die the first night, I'm gonna kill you. I got this. I'm a pro. What? Run!
You have to have better HP.
There, dead. That's why I'm also dead. Your mom is dead.
There's one more.
We better. I'm about to make you buck.
Oh shit! A side character is back.
Ah! No!
There's two side.
How did you die already? Hold up.
There's two side characters.
Oh God, bro. Is there anything in here? No. Forget, I found something that will help the team a lot.
Mm.
A bandage. Come down. Come down. Stupid motherfucking. Kill it!
Dumbass.
Stupid Nick. Haha, Mikey. No, Mikey! We should really get the meat. Dude. Y'all really snatched that kid. Better bandage. I mean, at least we have something that could help us. I'm gonna grab the food.
There are two side characters.
Yeah, they all killed you. You should cook meat. Yeah, yep. Yay. I'm gonna try to look for third kid. Second kid, I mean.
Okay.
Wanna come with me?
Wanna come?
With me. Wanna come with me?
Wanna come?
Oh my god, bro, you're so stupid.
I could trigger the boss fight for the frogs right now.
The frog thing is gone. Like your mom.
Ooh, coin.
You're a coin.
Flowers.
You're a flower.
Did you find her?
Why would I?
Did he find her?
Did he find her?
Diddy is the. Oh shit!
Hurry up! I found a chest. I need to open it fast.
I found some ammo. And
Of course you find ammo. I found good sack. My sack is already good, but who cares? Nothing's better than my original sack.
Okay. Oh. I'm low on stamina and it's night.
Go! Hurry up! Run! Okay, back. Eat carrots. I reckon.
Ah!
Huh? Where? Oh, shit! Why won't he go after me? Haha, stupid Nick. Put the scrap in the little thingamajiggy. What can we craft? I'm gonna try to get the bench. Oh, din din dun, oh, din din dun. La la li la la, oh, God. Oh my god. My brain is rotten! Dude. No. I don't wanna be brain rotted.
I want to be brain rot so bad. That joke was so funny.
I'm about to touch you.
Me too.
God, what?
Ooh, ammo.
You're ammo. I'm hungry to eat the kid.
Same here, bro.
Trying to eat the kid.
What?
I'm ready to eat the kid. I'm eating our wood.
Okay, bro. Okay, buddy. I know what you're doing. I think I found the second kid.
Where?
What level do we have to be in order to find him?
I don't remember.
Ah!
Where?
Oh, I found a med kit. So much ammo.
Driving in a hoot. Driving on a scooter.
Remember, I'm stacked. I'm stacked on ammo.
Mmm.
I have 4 big bag wolves on me. Oh shit. Shoot! Ah!
Where's
Get away
this
from me.
stupid?
Get away from me. Get away. No.
Where even are you?
At the camp. Where does it say where the missing child was?
I don't remember.
Oh, over there. Ah!
Hurry up, run to back. Run to base. Thank God I was so near. What the fuck?
Merrily, life is but a dream.
Your life's about to be downhill.
Ah!
If I like men, does that mean I'm gay? If you're gay. I'm just kidding. Where's the kid, anyways? Guys, we're playing Grow a Garden. Look. I'm gonna put you in my a giant sack. Take that back. I'm hungry. Go look for the child. I'm trying to look for this child.
It says somewhere over here.
Where you're going?
Yeah, but running low on hunger.
Running low on hunger? Alright, bet.
There's no food.
Eat raw food. It's much faster.
Okay. Ah!
Get your own raw food, idiot. Oh, right, we're getting attacked tonight. I'm going to find that little kid. Sounds so weird. Guys, I'm not gay. Found him. Time to delete these preschoolers.
But there's a bunch of side characters.
Who cares? Rock! I'm gonna put you down, just like your father.
How are you climbing?
Reggie, follow me. And this idiot, follow me. Got him.
I'll shoot down the rest.
Yeah, shoot him down. Just own him. I'm hungry. Clanker. I'm hungry. I'm gonna starve. Hold up. Let me eat. Let me eat. Go. Die. Can't you die? Thank you. Eat and eat. Kill you. Let me die. Did you save him?
It's a her.
Him? Get your meat. Get the meat. Eat the meat. Wait, hold up. I didn't get to get stuff.
Whatever. Come on. Hurry back.
Okay, so I need to open this chest really fast.
You're dead.
I'm not dead. I got a rifle. Now time to run. The side characters are after me. Who cares? Little do they know, I'm him. Got my rifle. Got my rifle ready.
Some big ass wolf killed me.
Bruh. This is why we hate side characters.
Do you still have the bandage?
Yeah, I still have a bandage. But goddamn, I'm hungry.
Don't steal everything I have, please.
I'm not. What do you think I'm doing? Well, hi. Good morning. Hello. Hello. When's the day gonna come? When is it gonna come? When is it gonna come?
Help me.
I can't. There's a side character. Now I could. Get your stuff. I'm gonna put this kid in. It's just, I stole the kid.
What if we could cook the...
You're gonna cook the child?
Yeah.
Eat the child then. This is why I want you to this is why I want to make videos alone. And you're the reason. I got a good axe.
Nice.
But nothing's better than my axe. Did you while you die and go 100 miles in an hour? Little do you know I filled up on eat. I spam E like if it was a E. E, E, E. I'm a deer. Beep, beep. Hey, that deer is shaped like a deer.
What in the name of free rap?
Hmm?
What in the name of free? What are you yapping about?
You yap.
You're yapping right now.
Your mom is yapping. That's what I could say.
Same thing with you.
Okay, I built a farm plot on a farm plot.
Huh?
There's 2 farm plots. I promise you, there's gonna be 2 farm plots in there. Put the cultists in the fire.
We have plenty enough of firewood.
No, we don't. Plus, we're not gonna use cannibalism.
Maybe we should.
What do you mean?
Just for cooking, right?
Wow, wow, wow. I'm about to do something to this little kid. And he's not even gonna expect it. Kid, you lived a good life. This stupid owl. You stupid bird.
What are you all the six now, fat ass? Look at what you eat. Everything. Now, bro, look next to the fire. No food.
You're my food.
Like this.
You're my food. We're about to have a 1v1. Creation of hatred. We're back, Eagle Dong. Alright, bet I'm back. I was AFK. Not gonna lie, I should have paused the video, but who cares? Hey Frankie, follow me real quick.
Right.
Follow me, it's super cool. Stop running. Welcome to the oven.
And what if you fall in here?
You get hurt.
Instantly?
Okay. Yes. Do not test it.
What is this?
Ah! Ow! See, I had to make a demonstrate. We're gonna kill it. What? Oh, scorpion! Kill it, kill it, kill it. There, it died. How does it give that much? Anyways, who cares? I'm gonna kill it. Not that hard. Jesus Christ, they do a little bit of damage. I'm gonna eat their raw corpse. Do not kill the cultists. We're weaker. They're stronger. I'm gonna explore this place.
I killed one.
Of course you killed one. You're an idiot. You're a buffoon. Ah! Wait, I could just... Ah! Ah!
I dropped my rifle.
Of course you dropped your rifle. Frankie, run. Frankie, run. Go back to camp. Go back to camp. It's alive. Run! Nigga, run! Nigga, run, nigga.
Driving in my car right after a beer.
We're about to run over this deer whenever you're hungry. I like how the cultist is just chasing us. Is it still chasing us? It's still chasing us, god dang.
We're gonna have to fight it now.
After me! This is why I hate men. And you. I hate you. You're the reason why you brought me here. You sacrifice him.
What the fuck?
I was hungry. I was hungry. Look. I was hungry. I was very hungry. The kid has lived a good life. Wow, shoot this Nick. Where's the kid?
945 miles.
What?
And it's saying it's over here. Oh, this takes.
It sounded like an angel going like, ah! Who sounds better, you or me? Imagine the kid's like over here and he's just getting burned. Getting cooked.
It says he's supposed to be.
Wait. It's a chest down there. They can't get up here. Haha, stupid idiots. Haha, stupid niggers. Frankie, wanna jump up that? Wanna come down here? Frankie, you're so safe, Frankie. You're so safe.
So they can take 3 bullets. That's what you took.
Not that many. All of them. Get the bandage, idiot!
What?
No!
There more!
The scorpions, duh. You're so stupid. They do so much damage. Now revive me, idiot. I had a bandage. Can this nigga die? Can you revive me? Do you not see the bandage? Revive me! Take the bandage and revive me. Is it really that hard? Thank you, Pookie. What's in there? What's in here? We're not dead. We're cooked. I got a lava tank blueprint. No mind if I do. Okay, let's run out of here. Vámonos.
What if we trap the deer in here?
You're gay. Ah! Run! Run! There's a side character! Holy shit, this is the scariest thing ever. And this nigga run, nigga run. Let it die, let it come. No way you're eating our only food. Oh, fuck me. I got a lava mine. Give me that. What do you mean by that? Pookie, Daisy, Dick. Whatever you do not step on that little pokey thing. It explodes. Like your mom. Do not even dare. It's a landmine. That's all I could say. That would be so sad.
How's the kid?
Should we go back to the lava place? Should we go back to the lava place? I don't know why, but I have this feeling, and I just really want to shoot the color red. And I think we all know what's red here. You.
I'm almost dead.
Of course you're almost dead, idiot. Bigger gun. Bigger paint. I'm gonna go back to that lava place because I just feel so Sigma. 2 seconds later, I duck. Yeah, you're not gonna be laughing long, buddy. Ooh, super spicy, like it's a lava liquor shit. Like a Sigma these nuts. What? For a minute I thought you said clanker. No way, it's already. Running. And I got a little playmate. Look, I got someone that we could touch. Kaboom! There goes your tower. And I'm gonna watch it crumble. Feel the power. And here are Kangles in the game. No escape. Trying to face my Riz. There's no like gap. There's no gap. Okay, I killed the long range. Make them go into a lava. Chicken. Steve's lava. I am a good boy. No, you're not. I'm gonna touch you where the sun don't shine. I'm gonna touch you.
There goes your tower.
Frankie, this matches with my back. Never mind, they're all gone. I'm gonna eat the corn. Yummers. 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 I need you. That's what I need.
I ate a cultist.
What?
For real. How do you do the infinite survival glitch where you just don't play the game, but you don't die?
I don't know.
Remember, do you remember how it works?
No. Why would I ever know? Also, you're an idiot.
Same with you, dumbass.
You're a dumb.
I literally saved you.
No, you didn't. I ate myself.
You ate yourself out?
What? I went into lava by accident. And my body feels like a picky.
You're gonna die.
Nah, I'm trying to kill cultists. Trying to get that loot. Boom. Boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka. Haha, stupid idiot. Ooh, I got bandages. We should really upgrade the fire.
You can't.
I'm gonna touch you. Great, I'm hungry.
Oh my god!
What? Thunder? We are the tigers in the. We are a sigma in my. Night is clapped. You are gay. He's going to the Diddy party. Running towards campfire. Ah! I got lightning striked and a wolf is after me. Help. Never mind. He's not after me. He's gay. Now you're cooked. Lol. Let me eat my carrots. Stop it. Ah! I blame you for this. I blame you. Frankie, I need one more. Do you have any scrap metal?
No.
Because we need it to make the days go faster.
What?
We need it to make the days go faster.
Why?
Where we could make our streak higher. Duh.
Okay, I think I remember there being something next. Something out.
Boom, there goes your freaking tower. Should we... You know what? You guys deserve something. A skip. So, if you hit that like and subscribe button. Why haven't you done it yet? Subscribe. So, y'all, my cousin Mike kind of broke, and we can't talk to each other anymore, so she's gonna type in chat. Also, he can't hear me, which is bad. Meaning he has to type. Jesus Christ. I gotta survive. We gotta survive tonight. We gotta survive tonight. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna type something to him. Okay, this is very appropriate. Y'all could definitely see what I say. This is so appropriate to Roblox. Like, bro, why haven't you guys never seen that? You guys, I don't know what y'all think, but I'm not gay. I'm not gay. Ooh, coins. Ah! Finally. Awesome. Let me eat. Oh shit, we're cooked. Chat. Might be cooked. We're dead. Y'all don't look at the very top. Don't look at the very top, y'all. Don't look at it. I don't know what y'all are talking about, but see you after a couple of minutes. So we're getting attacked. Or the type of Frankie or my cousin. Don't know what to call him. Also, I'm gonna eat one more berry. We eat it. Yammers. If we die, we die. Got my rifle. There's the deer. Oh, shit. Gotta take out. Aye! Damn! They did so much damage! Woo! Woo! Got him. Fortnite, 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 Fortnite. Where's King dude? Oh. Got him. Got one. Got two. Aye! Why is he standing still? Never mind. How did I not connect? Ah! Locking it. What? Ah! Yes, there. Been a day. How? I know. Ugh. Smithereens. Oh fuck. Ha ha ha. Great! The deer's hungry. I'm sleeping where the deer's at. It's a side character. Go to the boys' restroom. Chat. Ding dong, ding dong. died. Well, guess why am I in this? So y'all, that was the end of our video. So hope y'all like and subscribe. And well, bye bye.